Hey guys, today we're gonna conversate the one who likes to turn everything TPOT characters evil. So they made him and Leafy evil because trouble. So the first I conversated one for not to destroy. Anyways, here we go.
Hey, let's have a friendly chat, shall we?
Yep.
What's on your mind? Oh, interesting. But you know what would be more interesting? If you did exactly what I wanted. Wouldn't want anything unfortunate to happen, right?
2, 3, 4.
Just say it.
I'm truly baldi because today I got your number slop. This is -3. This is equals 3. This is city. And this is square root of 3. Come on, how am I changing Google? Well, because I'm on trouble. You found a shiny.
Here we go.
-3? 3? 4 to 3? Set? Ugh.
Yep, my number slop are here today, guys. Number slop assemble. You found right. You found number slop assemble. You assembled all the number slop. A shiny quarter. Now you're gonna do.
Screw this!
What did you just? Number slop. Please change the number 1 because he likes to turn everyone evil for no escape with pen because they got purple lamps.
What? Number slop didn't chasing me because I'm an algebraian.
Oh my god! Why are you stressing it? Because you did this to the shiny quarter. Now what did I do? I told the number slot to chase you when you stressed like that.
I'm keep trolling Baldi. Anyways,
Equals 3.
I promise that I got 7 notebooks, 'cause I got 8.
Congratulations. You found all equals 3. Oh, all 8 equals 3 notebooks. Now I went into this. Get out while you still can.
No, we don't care about it. Ones, assemble.
Oh no, I Wait. Oh,
what is happening? I'm sorry for trolling Baldi and the number slop and equals 3 because equals 3 is a gang of 3 number slop because you did. What are we doing? Wait.
You're now the ultimate ones. Prepare to check.